Agriculture, through its diverse value chains, remains the largest employer of labor and a vital means of improving the livelihoods of vulnerable populations. For thousands of farmers across 9 Nigerian states and the Federal Capital Territory, the partnership between the Women Farmers Advancement Network (WOFAN) and the MasterCard Foundation has been transformative and the best intervention to come their way. Since its launch in 2022, the WOFAN Icon 2 project has been committed to uplifting smallholder farmers by providing the support they need to thrive.
So we are moving from tilling the soil to a mechanized kind of farming. And our farmers are moving from peasant farmers to now agribusiness entrepreneurs.
In Dorawa Sallau Kano local government area of Kano State, women are celebrating 2 remarkable milestones. First is a bumper harvest from a 4-hectare wheat farm, cultivated with inputs and technical support provided by the WOFAN Icon 2 project. The second milestone is the acquisition of new generation combined harvester capable of harvesting 4 hectares per hour through crowd savings and a soft loan facilitated by WOFAN. This machine was used to harvest the wheat efficiently, reducing costs and minimizing post-harvest losses.
We started 2 years ago under the WOFAN Icon 2 project in partnership with MasterCard Foundation, where they supported us with power tiller, with mini threshing machines, and then we trained them. We started by doing 1 hectare. Now these women, we have expanded from our own profit. We thought we should add value to just the power tiller, for instance, that we have. Since a power tiller will do 1 hectare for you, for instance, and these women are now doing 4 hectares, 5 hectares. The male youths are doing 10 hectares, 6 hectares. We now thought that we needed more technology to support what we are doing so that we can increase productivity. And since we're not going back to our partners to tell them to give us money, and since they've given us power tillers, it means they've helped us, they've put us on track. It's for us to support ourselves again. And we now use the power of crowd saving. We have a cluster of 3,000 farmers per cluster, and we have 4 mega clusters in this area. 1 mega cluster is 3,000 farmers. We now decided, since we are having 3 harvests in a year, we harvest during rainy season, we harvest during dry season, and we have now started doing, in between rainy and dry season, we harvest maize. Every after harvest, the 3,000 people contributed 3,000. So 3,000 by 3,000 people, that's 9 million. Another 9 million in dry season farming, another 9 million after the wheat farming. That makes it 27 million from the groups. And WOFAN now supported them with a soft loan to make it 54 million. And we now own this beautiful combined harvester.
Adding to the success, logistics tricycles provided by WOFAN were available to evacuate and transport the packaged wheat, handled entirely by the women themselves. For the Dorawa Sallau Mega Cluster, the completion of wheat harvesting signals the start of a new cropping season. And once again, WOFAN was there to provide support. The cluster was equipped with brand new 40 horsepower tractors, which were deployed to begin harrowing one of the maize fields to be cultivated by members. These tractors were acquired through the same process as the combined harvester.
Other clusters put money together, and we own 2 tractors just for this mega cluster.
If you look at before, at the age of 30, 37, you will see our parents or our brothers back are bending. But now, this is a typical example now. I can drive this tractor. It's a great achievement as a youth and from rural community to help this great opportunity. And before even having this tractor, we have the mini tractor that WOFAN with the support of MasterCard Foundation gave to us. And with the women, that become an opportunity to us. Even when I was studying, that does not even separate my study and still farming. I used to farm, and is what I even farm and get some source of money from, that I support myself in school.
This milestone did not start and ends in Dorawa Sallau. 11 other mega clusters are set to benefit from same intervention.
We are releasing 12 tractors. We are releasing 2 in each of the states of FCT. We're releasing in Kaduna, that is Ikara axis. We're releasing in Jigawa. We're releasing in Gombe, and we're releasing in Bauchi state. So all of us have followed this approach. In a nutshell, try people to see what progress they will do. Number 2, put sustainability in whatever you are doing. Because we've trained the women on the power of group dynamics and establishing trust among themselves and linking them to financial institutions, we were able to achieve this without a loan, just in between us. And we are hoping that through the same method, they will pay the balance of this 27 million and own another combined harvester. So now we have proven to the world that women can do it. Not just being able to do it, doing it well in a sustainable way.
To ensure that farmers under various clusters fully enjoy the fruit of their labor, WOFAN introduced to them bird scarers, an electronic device that repels crop-destroying birds from farms. These interventions, elders, community leaders, and farmers themselves believe has no historical precedence.
Mama ta danka mana wannan, kuma in Allah ya so ya yarda mama ta dora mu akan yadda zamu kula da wannan inji. An buɗe mana account, insha Allah duk wata zamu dinga saka kuɗi.
A yanzu haka wannan alkama da kake ganin ta iri da taki mama ce ta bamu. Ko kwandala bata karba ba.
Amma ba abin da za a ce Allah ya saka da alheri, mama ba irin abin da ba ta yi wa kungiyoyin nan da taimako kala wani taimako ma ba zai iya lissafa ba.
From manual and semi-mechanized methods, these smallholder farmers are now being elevated through the support of WOFAN and the MasterCard Foundation into large-scale, mechanized and skilled agricultural producers.